Ayan. Nakabukas na. God, it's open. Ah. It's open.
I just realized yung character na Maya, may numbers yung damit niya and it changes. Ang number ko ulit, 7 now, di ba?
Saan
No,
ba?
7, never mind.
Same number. I don't know. Pwede na kayo sumali.
Okay.
First person
na.
ulit. Bye.
Oh
Bye-bye.
boy.
Good night. Okay. Oh my god. Ah,
Bakit, pre?
I'm congested.
What that mean?
My nose. Oh my nose.
Don't do that, pre.
Just don't do that.
Yeah. Are you joining? No, my...
Slowly.
Here.
Slowly.
Isaac nga muna.
Nandito na ako.
Ay, sayang.
I am loading.
May narinig akong ngumunguya.
Ako nga ako din. Who's that big and fat bro? Kumakain.
That ain't
Who's
me.
eating in the pantry?
That ain't me.
Don't eat all of it, pre.
It's all
Tayo
good.
na lang. May chest-shaped stomach.
Oh my
Hey.
god.
Iwan ka na namin, Sid.
Guys, the fucking
I know.
frost fang fucking insect glaive is amazing.
Very cool.
Good things come to those who float. Remember that,
Thank you.
guys. Ano mo dan?
I remember how stupid it was, pre.
Scrap po.
Yun na naman, nawawala na naman yung ups ko. I'm so mad.
Ay, gumalaw na, Raf. Oh, naka-ano ba tayo? Anchor down?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Nakuha
yeah.
ko yung achievement.
Task ba? Ayun. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I guess yung Angela nga yan is like, go to a story island.
For
How
once.
do we get there?
Are we moving?
Ano?
No.
Onte, slowly.
Ayun,
So,
ayun,
Madami
ayun.
yung ano yun.
There we go. It's moving.
Yung flag.
Madami yung wood eh.
Okay.
Okay! Okay, bro. Bro needs that wood.
We all need wood, bro.
Oh, ano yung pinrest ko?
Ano nangyari?
Oh, binuksan ko
Oh,
yung
lag.
inventory ko. Naglag.
Damn! Ano yun? Sa inventory mo.
Ay, cool. Press nyo O.
O?
Yeah.
Oh. Ano to?
Stats. FPS. Wi-Fi.
Ano yung DRS? 999 sa akin.
Nakadran eh, 999 eh. It's my max level, pre.
Holy shit.
Ito pala yung ano ng ano, ko, laptop ko. I keep forgetting.
Ilan yung FPS niya?
60 lang.
60.
Never going down,
Oh, it's
never
like
going
hard.
up. Yep. Hard cap.
No,
When you put max FPS.
yung max ko 6.7. Yeah.
Okay.
Pre, you're so funny.
So funny.
It's making me laugh.
Oh, there it
Diba,
is.
diba?
Frame rate. Unlimited. Okay, there you go.
You don't need all that, pre.
I wanna see big numbers.
Wait.
Ay, wait lang daw si Dennis. Ay, wait lang.
Okay.
Hold on, no. I'm just. Wait.
Kamusta
How
araw
do we
niya?
know if you're going to the right way?
Oh yeah. We're not.
I don't know. Sino yung navigator?
Sino nga ba?
Who's our captain?
Isn't you, pre?
Soda, ikaw
Oh
na.
shit!
Who?
I'm gonna go now.
Okay,
Good na.
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. How do you fix stuff again?
Pre.
Using hammer.
Wag
Hindi
said
na
I'm
hammer.
recording. I'm thirsty.
How do we go there?
We are going. Hold on.
How do you fix this?
With your hammer.
Right click.
God.
Right click, tapos
Ay,
click mo yung pinakababa.
no.
Papunta ba tayo?
I think. I don't know if I
Still
fixed.
no eggs, pre.
Oh, lobot na.
Yung?
Yung
Oh,
battery.
yung
Oh.
Okay. Tama
I see
na
an
yung,
island over
tama na yung direction natin. We're going near.
I see an island. Land ho, land ho.
Island ba tayo muna? O tuloy-tuloy na natin?
I mean, we can stop.
Ilan
Tuloy
bang
na natin.
meters to?
Diretso na.
It's
Diretso
1,000
na lang,
meters.
Do we have it?
But
We should be
maybe we
fine.
need materials and wood.
What do you mean wood? Papunta naman sa atin yung wood ah.
Ay, palm please.
May pomni?
Yeah,
Pomni.
palm trees. Palm
Palm.
trees. I'm turning into palm.
I'm turning into pomni.
Goodbye Island.
Pwede lang ano eh. Tawag dito. Bawal sumali friends sa ano no? Like higher level na guiding lands kung low MR ka lang.
Bakit sumali?
Bawal.
Ayaw mo mag-chill lang.
Need
Honestly, I
Tempered
don't
Elder
remember.
Dragon.
Gusto ko, pwede ka sumali sa island ko. Sa island ko. Sa... Oh, wait. No, gets ko dito na.
Scrap
Try natin
mechanic
naman.
Duck.
Oh,
Ducky.
damn, pre.
Pre, may ibon sa likod nyo.
Saan?
Bro,
Okay.
walk right past.
Oh.
Oh.
What?
Oh, ang cute.
Lagay mo sa ano? Saan yung... Ewan ko. Saan mo lagay?
Yan naman yung mascot natin. Ito yung Jollibee natin pala.
Lagay mo sa tuktok. Oh my god. Meron, never mind. Meron ng isa sa tuktok.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yung Jollibee natin. Magiging ano.
Ah.
God, miss ko na mag-Jollibee.
Palan.
Me too.
Tara, Jollibee tayo.
Jollibee.
Uwi niyo ako, guys.
Okay.
Uwi ka na lang dito.
Oo. Uyan mo kami ng Jollibee.
Mas mga
Baliktad.
Jollibee dyan, di ba?
Baliktad. Let's yung vine go. I need vine go for something.
Meron ako. Meron tatlo. Kailangan mo?
Yeah. I need vines and go.
Ito.
Go
Meron
gaga.
ako. Tatlo. Kinuha ko
Oh,
sa
may
taas.
motion sickness mode. Wait, turning that on.
Ito. Sada. Sada.
Huh? Where? Ah,
Ito.
thank you.
Tiki, 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 tiki. Meow, 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 meow.
Di mo kinuha yung vine ko. Sorry.
I didn't?
Ito.
Oh! Hindi, din. Wala akong kinuha.
Si cup. Yung cup. Mahuling cup.
I must apologize.
Oh, nakapause pala tayo. Why is that? Why are we not moving? Kasi-
Oh,
Oops.
Ilagate ba yung lutuan? Yung, I mean yung, okay guys.
Ano yan?
I need vine ko din. Apat.
Bro
Vine
keeps
goo?
taking from the source.
Bro, I need... Puno na
Pre,
yung inventory ko.
Kumuha ka sa chest. Huwag ka kumuha dun sa lutuan.
No, I'm grabbing it off kasi kailangan ko ilagay yung one piece of like
Ah.
pieces sa inventory ko that I don't... Oy!
shit.
But we get it, bro. You're mad. We get it. Shit.
Are we moving?
I have so much bullshit.
Tiki, tiki, tiki.
Here, have a tungtong.
Friends,
Here, how about tuntung?
I'm gonna break my monitor. I swear.
I
How about
swear.
tuntung? Here, how about tuntung?
May kailangan ng vine ko dito. Kukunin ko to.
Ah, that's me. That's mine. Teka, I
That's
can cook more. Ay, ilang kailangan mo?
4.
Here. There you go.
Lagay yung bato yung spear. Parang bato.
may bato ako.
Bakit bato yung spear? Parang forest.
Okay. Kala ko.
Not another forest incident, pre.
Tiki, tiki.
I must apologize.
It's always us four. Hi. Hi.
Just spear parang walang nakikitang gamit. Anywhere.
Nawala na yung pollution dahil sa atin.
Oh my god, Team
Dude.
Sis is working, pre.
Yes, pre. I'm saying Mr. Beast did nothing, pre.
Malapit.
Malapit.
yung ano, motion sickness, ay ano, motion sickness mode. Grabe yung alug.
Malapit na tayo.
It's called motion sickness mode, pre.
Antay yung ginawa ni Sid eh. Antay ba?
Inon clear sa akin eh.
Meron mo
It did not
nakalagay
change anything.
anti-motion,
Parang
nakalagay ba anti-motion sickness mode o nakalagay lang motion sickness mode?
I don't
Hindi.
know. Eh,
Ah,
walang nagbago.
kasi
ano
yung...
nagbago?
I
Hindi
can't
ako
tell.
nagbago.
Are we going the right way?
Yeah, we are. Eh no. Haba. 700. Close mo yan!
Oo, nagbago sa motion sickness. Useless.
Oh, I'm dying.
Close your eyes na lang, pre. So you don't get sick.
I'm so...
Kasi yung plastic natin, dapat natin yung plastic.
Naubos.
Ayun.
Ayaw.
Found it. Along empty bottle.
Ayaw.
Who's eating right now? Holy shit.
I'm dying, pre. I need this.
Kinain mo na lahat eh.
I ate half of the chest, pre.
There's some munching on there.
How do you make vine glue?
Lutuin mo yung vine.
Okay.
Kailangan ba? Mayroon tatlong vine.
Gawa rin akong boil.
Ayun na. Nilagyan ko tatlo na vines.
Sugoi desu.
Is that the island over there? Ayun, may nakita kong island.
We are very far.
Wait, what island is that? What kind of island is that?
What kind of island is this? This is an unknown island.
I don't fucking know.
Never explored.
Bro gave up.
Bilis.
What kind of island is it?
Dapat.
I don't know.
Kaya may island. Tayo natin kanina eh.
Is it worth it na gumawa ng ano?
No.
Na
Bilis ah.
tawag dito? Arrows?
I mean, how do we make a bow?
Kailan natin
Oh,
ng feathers,
ano?
diba? We
Sara
have
ni ano?
feathers? Alin?
We have feathers. We do.
Feather me this.
I wanna make a bow, actually. Hindi ko alam may unlock that. Is that the right island? Ba't parang
No.
maliit?
Wala pa daw.
No.
I'm taking a metal ingot. I need the fish.
Kulit ah.
Should we stop there for a bit?
I think we
For
should.
planks?
Parang lie.
Yeah,
We're
there's
kinda running
literally
out.
nothing. There's literally nothing. Oy, sorry. bitch.
Well, tinuro ko siya dun, and we're not moving.
I got this. Wait lang, never mind. I don't got it.
So we paddle on the way dun.
Yeah, may ba ako gawin nun?
Everybody make paddles right now.
Hindi paddle. Hindi paddle. Why can't I find the paddle?
This is my 5th cup na nawala. I'm so mad. Ano tong glitch na to?
Paano
Are you
nawawala?
sure it's a glitch?
Do not start with me, pre.
Maybe it's a
Tool.
glitch,
Ay!
soda. Kasi paddle.
Madali lang. Ito.
Ayun sa sail. Yeah, I got one. Well, wait one.
My thingy broke.
Sail.
I made 2 paddles. Who wants a paddle?
Who wants me?
Who want me?
I'm good.
Ayun.
Huh.
We're back in business. Yan yung ano. Woods and shit.
Uy, patay na yung shark.
Huwag mo na kayo patayin. Hanggang nasa island na tayo.
Wag mo na?
Yeah, yung shark. Huwag mo na patayin.
Bakit?
Oh, nasa island na pa tayo.
Ah, save natin. Okay.
Hindi. Gusto ko sana na yun. Huwag mo na patayin kapag wala pa tayo sa island.
Sige, sige. I think low na siya eh. Pretty sure.
Ay,
Oh, ano yun?
What was that?
Ticking.
Scrap
Ticking.
and bow.
Ticking. Ticking. Bound and...
Mama needs wood, okay? I need this.
May puno naman tayo kanina.
Gone.
How do you harvest yung ano?
Uy, is that,
Vine?
You
is
need
that crate? Oh, crate!
Kailangan ko ba na shears?
vine? No, you pick up mo
Where's
lang.
that shark?
Punta ka sa seaweeds. Di parang makikita mo lang the pick up.
Yeah, there will mag-glow
Oh,
sila.
yun.
It's like you can notice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dali, dali, shark, dali. Ang tanga naman.
Oh shit, muna na pala ako.
Aray ko!
Just...
Aray ko!
Are you okay?
I'm gonna die, pre!
No. Good luck.
I'm eating my watermelon.
Meron akong watermelon
I'm
shake.
stress eating right now, pre.
Anything else dito?
Yung shark, I guess.
Oh shoot! No, may potato!
Ayun na, dyan na.
Where did my potato go?
Ay, ito, nakikita ko.
Where? Okay.
Ayan.
Kita mo?
Yeah.
I can see that.
Wait, ito punta ang lapis sa akin.
Aray ko! Eee! Thank you. Get me out! I'm dead.
Are you actually dead?
Hindi ah. Nag-save yung game,
Oh.
nakita ko sa corner ko.
You put bro.
We need to kill that shark.
Kaya ka mamatay na siya eh. Sabi din ni Wix, huwag muna daw.
Hindi, patayin na
Oh my
natin.
god!
Nasa island na tayo eh.
Okay, sige. Where's bro?
Aray ko. Are you joking?
Are you dead?
Di, come on.
Yes.
Come on, come on.
Hold on.
Oh, I see vines.
Nasaan yung bed? Actually.
Nasa behind ng stairs.
Weird ang placement ah.
Ang
Okay.
hirap nga makapunta dito, ang confusing.
I'm gonna kill bro.
Try ko kumuha ng mga clay and stuff.
Yun, patay. Okay. He's dead.
Yun.
Harvest, bro.
Give me the meat.
Dump. Okay. Ata. Let me just put in the chest. 4 shark pick.
Why look na mila da? Sino naglagay ng ano? Sino hindi nag-water ng ano natin trees?
Oh, di ba water pala yan? Kala ko automatic yun. I didn't know.
Time to loot. Wala yung shark.
Can you smelt scrap for metal?
Bravo, metal. Nilagay ako tatlo sa taas.
Copper lang
No,
ata.
I'm just like asking.
Yeah,
If
no.
you can.
Okay.
That would be so. That's so stupid. You should be able to do that.
Inuuna ko tinry.
Okay. I'm just guessing.
Oh, metal to.
Wow, Prince. You should come with me.
Ayoko.
No, my chest. Come.
Ayoko.
Ayoko, pre.
Ano ginawa mo?
Walang ginawa.
Nag-away ba kayo? Tama na. Bati na kayo, please.
Walang ano,
Stop.
ores.
Wait, where's my spear?
Walang ores eh.
Gago. Wait,
Oh, namumura
mo?
mo ako.
hindi.
Okay.
You can have mine.
Expand kaya
Metal
natin
spear
yung
yung
ano
gago.
natin.
Ano ko, ice pa yun eh.
Paano throw mo lang?
Thank you, sir.
Habaan kaya natin yung ano? Raft.
Yung barko? Sige.
Yeah.
Harap or likod?
Harap.
Sige. Sisirain natin to? Or,
Pwede yung remove. Ano pa magandang pwesto? Harapan o yung likod? Para gitna tong tower na to.
Likod,
Ano?
para gusto mo gitna.
I think, yeah, parang ano... Parang ang lit kasi ng ano eh, space ng likod kung saan yung
Yeah.
pwede.
Sige, sa likod na lang.
I have, madami yung wood. Meron akong tatlong stacks of wood.
Where did bro get this?
Grind, pre.
When?
What's all the plastics?
Nag-offline grinding pala to. Dito nagsasabi ah.
Without the server open.
Ano to?
What is this? Ito.
Asa ka na soda?
I have iron. I'm grabbing iron.
Okay.
Magawa na ako.
Same. Puwa pa nga ako mga clay and stuff.
Uy!
Yeah, I'm harvesting everything right now.
We can expand. Magiging restaurant to.
Yung tables and shit.
Ilagay natin yung mga chest dyan sa likod. Like, storage talaga ng room. Or area.
Sige.
Oh, ano to?
You
Glass na
think
to?
like Minecraft
Ano nangyari sa
ways.
plastic natin? Dami din
Aray
plastic.
ko, putang ina.
Or sa'yo.
Pating lang.
Nag-spawn na?
Yun, next one na. Kumuha ko ng iron eh. Bigyan sumulpot.
Oh my god, ang lala ng wave na yun.
I
Kasi
think
pa kayo.
harvest na lahat. I'm coming back.
Pwede
Yeah.
metal dito.
I got 2 metal.
Kupal. Kita ko yun.
Metal ore.
Isa metal.
Hindi yan pwede.
Saan?
Try ko kunin yan, hindi pwede.
Ah. Oh, we're out of wood.
Damn!
Gusto mo ba?
I'll be
May
back.
pang wood.
Pa-refill lang no, ano, this one thingy. Yan.
Should we get going na?
Should we make... Yeah.
Pataas ko yung anchor.
Yeah, taas mo na.
Ano?
Wait, si Soda. No, nandiyan pala.
Okay, kasi naman siya. Tara.
Should...
Diba straight from here is yung actual island?
Check ko sa ports. Ah, okay, lumalayo tayo. Hold on. It should be...
Let's just go around now.
Oh, we
Dalawa
are
sa
going far. Tama ba to? Fuck, baliktad! Turn!
Diretso ba?
Hindi. Kung saan nakatutok yung ano? Yung...
Yung sail?
Yeah, doon. Lumalayo tayo.
Okay. Okay, di...
Yeah,
Predicted.
fell. Okay.
Gonna be
Pupunta na
safe.
tayo.
Ayaw gumalaw. I have to paddle this shit.
Mali kasi yung wind eh. So,
Yeah. I'm hungry. Said,
kiwi
Yeah,
mapu.
man.
I'm hungry.
How do you make a big chest? Oh. Just need scrap and hinge.
Sarap ka. Water, tas isda.
Ano? Ano?
Yeah.
Sarap water tapos
Water, tas
isda.
isda.
What is this guy thinking?
Pre, you have to enjoy what you have.
Sure, pre. Sure. Kung saan ka masaya, doon ka na.
You have to be resourceful.
Okay.
We're gonna right now.
Check mo sa compass.
Hindi tayo gumagalaw, Gagi. Ba't ayaw ng wind na to?
Opposite kasi yung wind eh.
Nga eh. Yeah, paddle ko na
Madaming
lang.
yapping nakamit ako. I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh.
No, don't. No.
I was
Oh.
asking, hindi na gagamitin yung ano, yung plastic storage.
Ay, ni-move ko lang. I'm making big
Is there like a
chest.
way to make the wind?
Blow at it, pre.
Ay, sana sasabihin kayo. Hipan
Alam
mo,
yung parang
pre.
ano?
Hipan mo.
May parang contraption na may fan sa sail.
Ay.
Yes, pre.
Oops. Sorry.
It's
So
sad.
sorry. So sorry. Wait, pag binove mo, mawala ba yung item sa loob?
Yeah, magdadrop sila. I
Dude,
got
I
it.
have to. Oh my god, this sucks. Why can't the wind go this way?
Where is the goo?
Eto, nasa chest. Nalagay ko na.
Takutan.
Wait, we can make signs, right? Pwede natin sila i-label. Minecraft terms.
Oh, okay.
May ibon.
It's gone.
Can he lay eggs? I want eggs.
Dapat kasi nasa para siyang solo eh.
We need to make a
I
bird
need
perch.
wood. I need 8 wood
We
first.
need to make a burger.
Kailangan mo? Meron ako.
We need to make a
Meron
burger.
8 wood.
Meron akong 8 wood. Yeah.
Miss ko na mag-burger.
We make a burger in this game.
Ah, ito ko lang.
Ata.
I must apologize.
Yata.
Sorry, the pocket phone.
Dude. So, legit ba dito yung daanan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah! Where can I put this?
Check mo sa compass. Tingnan mo.
Anong island na yun? Oh, we've been there.
Huwag mo siya nabuksan na matagal ah. Yung battery.
Keep it open, para.
Bakala na kayo dyan.
689. Wait, 689. If I move this...
Are we going up or are we
We're going down.
Keep paddling. Malapit na.
Go lang, pre.
So,
Go lang, friends. Kaya mo yan.
Go, Prince,
Ina.
go!
Takinang yan!
tingnan mo, Soda. Tingnan mo.
Takinang yan!
Hey, puswa.
Eh, Can Yung,
Pwede mo pala i-hold yung paddle, Ben. Kanina pa ni-spam.
ano yung Gerara here?
Iyo.
Ano
Oh.
yun? He's trying to eat you, said. Watch out. Ako nga na
What's
tinatry
happening?
kakainin. Na ano si...
What?
Gusto rin nakahiga sa ano? Sa bathtub.
Tubig siya eh.
Oh my god, yung...
How do I
It's
get
smelling your
out?
aura,
How
But
do I
that's
get
not
out?
It's
how
smelling
that
your
works.
aura, pre. It's smelling your aura, pre.
Grabe yung aura mo.
Ano ka
Tara,
pa,
bilisan
Sota,
natin,
Aura
Prince.
Monster.
Happy birthday, Daniel.
Happy birthday, Daniel. Did you really think you forget this day?
I know what kind of power you possess.
Send ko ngayon sa kaibigan ko.
Pag-birthday na.
Hindi, pangalan niya
Happy
Daniel eh.
birthday, Daniel.
Eh, pwede. Si Day. Okay.
Send ko sa kanya minsan eh.
Happy birthday, Daniel. I can't believe I'm saying this, but we need more plastic. Ang dami plastic na nangyari doon.
Laging dalawa na lang. Kanya.
Di ba? What happened?
Basta, o ano? Ano nangyari?
Dahil ba sa pinagagawa na? Yung mga
Tiki.
platforms? I feel like
Yeah,
dahil.
platform eat.
Bow now, now. I missed.
It's okay, bro. There's more trash in the sea.
Porket lang to eh.
There's more trash in the sea, pre.
Whatever, pre. Whatever.
Sige. Uy, gagawin ano?
Ano yun?
Don't go in the
Top
corner.
15.
May ano?
I have
May ibon sa nest.
Kung ano? Matay na. Ang cute niya.
Diba?
Shit, tumulok na ako.
Uy. Speaking of ibon. Paano? Nameless.
You got this, pre.
I'm trying to
Father.
organize the chest.
Talagang fino-force natin tong story na to.
You have to see at least one, pre.
Do we really
'Cause I've never seen
need
it before pa.
You don't need it that
Why
bad.
is
Eh, I missed.
Uy, wait.
Eh,
Ay, ibigay life. Wanna be a little
Fire-
bit
firewood
more
craft. Uy!
alive.
Wait, rock.
Ang sa'yo, pre. Irak.
ito ko those racks, pre.
Shark.
Where?
I'm dying.
How?
I'm thirsty.
How? Man, you always thirsty.
Putak.
You're human.
Thanks.
Less.
Thank you.
Times 2.
Parang nauna yung thank you sa bless niya.
Alam na niya.
Parang itong
We go the
hangin
right
na
way.
to.
Oh, 400. 461.
Sorry, madali ka. Che.
No, I'm just making sure.
We're
pre.
going the right
It's the
way.
moon.
It's the moon.
Alam mo yung hindi natin ginawa. Bed. Tayong apat.
Ano?
Okay lang yan. We share the same bed, all of us.
Para, para,
Magkakatabi.
para skip yung night.
Ganyan ba yun?
Yeah, parang Minecraft eh. Ayun know, all players must be sleeping.
Oh. Okay. We have so many palm leaves there. Pero,
Ang wala tayo is feathers. Never mind, dating feathers.
wait, meron feathers na. Ang dami feathers ah.
Oh, hammock yung may feather.
You know, you have 2 stacks of feather.
Pero nga akong hammock. Para dun lang sa pwesto ko sa
Mr.
taas.
The captain talaga.
Tama. Boom. Crafted
Yar.
one. Look guys, I got a hammock.
Hey,
Bakit pakinggan hammock?
saan?
Ang laki.
Saan?
Wait, wait!
Thank you, pre.
Ako sana mauuni eh. Kasi ayoko na. Tapon ka na. Tainted na with Prince. It's tainted.
Grabe naman.
Talaga. Grabe talaga. Yucky.
Ilaba mo lang siya sa bathtub.
Ano yun?
Ilaba mo sa bathtub.
Oo, alam mo ko talaga.
Makukuha mo yung SS niya naman. SS daw.
Wag na, tapon ko na lang. Gawa na lang ba?
Bakit?
Wala.
Di ba yung naligo sa bathtub?
Mm.
Ilalaban ni Nix yung hammock niya sa bathtub. Oh my god.
Eh, kulang pa ng bawal. Oh my god, it's annoying.
Wala nang beam.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking move. Okay.
May bathtub.
Karoon ng
Ay, bala
nails.
sa mga habang ano.
What kind of trap? The fuck?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Merlin,
Merrily, merrily, merrily.
life
That's
is
love.
life.
That's ass. Kinuha ako ng power.
Oh, I see. Is that light? I'm seeing something.
Are you dying? Okay ka lang.
No, pre. I'm not crazy. I saw a light. Wait, I'm thirsty. Wait.
Paano
Or
tayo?
die.
Dying.
Oh, what the fuck? Yung water bottle is like... Nawala. Oh, wait, no, I dropped it. Never mind.
Okay.
Okay ka
Ano
lang.
consumable to?
Okay ka lang.
Maybe you are seeing something.
Dudes, I swear to God, lahat to ilaw. Mga lighthouse type shit.
Okay.
It's okay to
I'm
open.
not crazy, pre. Nawala, what the fuck? Ayun, ayun! It's over there! Legit, ang laki!
Where are you?
Rowing the boat. I'm hearing sharks.
Uy!
Oh, bye-bye.
God!
Yan,
Oh my god.
What did you do? What did you do?
Dude, I think we're close, I'm seeing it.
Oh my god, nakakasakay yung hammock.
Does it actually move? Yung hammock?
Hindi ko lang pisid.
I wanna experience.
Sige, lahat. Higaan nyo na.
Everyone but the owner. Nakaitry.
Dito ako matutulog sa
Ayun no, dude! Oh my god, look. Over
Press the search
there!
engine.
Over there!
Ah,
it's up.
Lapit ka sa torch. Tapos tingin ka dun.
Diba, ayun na, see?
Yeah, I
Over
see it.
there!
You're insane.
I see it.
Oh, ano?
I'm not crazy.
You're insane. You're in pain.
Swim!
Flag, wait, gag. Ano flag yun? England.
Ayun, kita na.
Oh shit, lapit na pala. Any island.
Ay. I need one more plastic.
I got none.
You have exactly one plastic in the chest, bro.
Ay, wait. Give me that.
Here, kung saan ako? Here, this one.
Thank you. Okay. Grabe mo yung raft na to.
Land
Sige na
ho!
That's a oil tank,
Sige
pre.
na.
That's an oil. That's a raft.
May like a shark. I mean, unless gusto mo one of you magstay
Why is
dito.
it going dark?
Now it's fine.
Wait, I can craft the lesbian table.
The what?
Huh?
Okay.
So, do you want the lesbian table? Oh, it's a big
Well-
table.
Oh, shit. Oh, my bad.
Ito, so, wait, saan ko pa ilagay?
Nagulat ko
I
yung
put
bird.
this.
That's fine.
No,
look
our
at that. Soda.
eggs!
So, the lesbian oh, wait, never mind. White siya. Wait,
Holy
Ah,
ayun.
shit.
you gotta wait.
White siya.
You gotta wait.
Oh, oh, it's an oil rig. Hello, it's a rat.
Ay, di, mga bahay na siya.
Bilis, pero meron din siya, may tawag doon, windmills.
But you're not throwing.
Kaya ko din. I can see that. I've noticed, pre.
Hindi ko alam, pre. Para kanina ka, pre. Yo! Lapit ba tayo?
Lang. Wood.
Pre, you can roll
Suporta.
towards it, pre, please.
I'm greedy. Wait lang.
Holy.
Dito na tayo titira.
Dito tayo.
Never tayo magpo-progress.
There's a city,
Whoa.
bro. There's a city we need to...
Wow,
Where
may ano din, no? May, wow, may underwater area din.
Oh, hell.
Tingnan. Di naman like, basta sunken na rooms sa baba.
Sige,
Ah.
sige.
Okay,
lang.
anchor down, anchor down.
Layo pa tayo.
Oh, sobra na.
Oh, ay,
Oh,
Lando.
stop.
Okay na, pwede na tayo pumunta.
Lando. Ay, naku.
Can we loot this stuff? Okay, no?
What's in here?
Oh, there's a note.
Oh! Voice acting.
I
Oh, dito ko. Kaku.
Hina naman.
Sparrow took the boat. I can't figure out why. Everything is just so secret. I mean, I don't even know their real names. I only know the team at Celine got a prototype working and
Caught a shark named him
we were
Bruce.
supposed to be those people. Together we would find a way out of this mess. Somehow. Owl's yelling up in the tower. Maybe the radio picked up something.
Oh shit.
Is it you, Sparrow?
Owl's radio notes.
I found a note.
2nd of December. Distress call received. Balboa Island.
Oh, dito.
9th of January.
The chest.
Who won't
Oh.
accept facts? 2nd of February. Gunshots from a distance. Tangaroa City. 14th of February. Sparrows come. Celine.
What the
6th of March. Another distress call. Varuna Point. Missing child. 16th of April. Rafters dreaming of utopia.
I fell.
Oh, no.
February. We picked up a lot of signals. Maybe someone will come and help us. We're not.
Here, have a tung.
Man, they're just all dying.
The reactor at Celine might be the only chance we have against this endless ocean.
Oh shit, hello.
With Sparrow. Owl thinks
Akit kayo, akit kayo, akit kayo.
you must have had a good reason
Ow.
for leaving us here.
Oh, hello.
Hope you make it to
Are you dead?
I hope you
Oh.
Oh, you're alive.
for all of us.
Guys, how do you get up
Reactor.
there? How do you get up there? How do you
Parkour.
get up there?
Hardcore.
Bye, Soda.
Wait, recycler.
Flying bolt.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Recycler?
whoa. Wait, ang bago natin ito. Huwag mo kausapin, Vince.
Wait
Antayin
lang, hintayin nyo kami, hintayin nyo
antayin
kami.
natin sila.
Utopia? Is there like, tawag sa
Telling you,
Sunken
pre.
City? Atlantis?
I'm telling you, pre, there's a city. There's a city island.
Mr. Spoiler.
Ito na si Sed.
You haven't seen it yet, pre. How do I get up there?
I
Ito,
thought,
ito.
can I stab you?
Okay.
Ano
Tapos
tao
over here.
yun?
Yeah.
Ano yung dire? Oh my god, kaya
bobo.
wala ba ito research para makita ko lang?
I'm coming.
Lost City of Atlantis.
The big
Where are you?
chords
Hey, a friendly face.
says,
Wondering how I ended up here? Long story. Really, really long story. Anyway, nice raft. If you know where's that, let me know. I've sort of ended up as a maritime expert. Maybe due to the world sinking.
World Sync.
Awesome. Let's head out.
Oh, new playable character. Ah. Okay.
oh, you're gone.
Ghost!
Bye-bye. Ano to?
Bye-bye.
Oh, it
Oh,
repeats.
okay.
It's, parang siyang animatronic.
Shut up.
Yun nga eh. Yung movement niya yun, no?
Ang stiff.
Oops.
Jump!
Wait, we have new notes. Paano buksan ulit yung notes?
T. Tiki.
Yeah, I
Tiki.
People. 7638.
I think automatic yung magpapakita. I need food. I'm fucking dying.
Majump. Whee!
Wait, we gotta explore underwater.
Said.
Oh shit, sakto.
What?
Sakto yung dating ko. No, never mind. Bitch.
Ano nasira niya?
Yung net. O nga no. We should no. Surround natin yung boat natin with these nets. Pang protect lang din.
May armor
That's
sa
what I've
ano?
been doing since day one.
May armor rin yung thingy.
Oh yeah, meron yung underwater part dito.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We gotta explore underwater.
Oh, briefcase. What a briefcase.
Stop for the night. I'll climb the tower.
Ang gusto ko makita yung recycler na yun. Combines basic resources into trading post currency. Ah, that's how we make money. Okay.
Dude, we gotta kill the shark.
The other facilities are underwater, so if Celine is lost, I got nothing. Now, Sparrow's not talking to either of us. I really hope we're not the last hope for
There's nothing left.
Okay.
Dami scrap though. Oh, great.
How the hell do you
Ibit
The
me,
whole
ibit
world is
me.
sinking, so like the whole world is like underwater.
Yep, it's gonna happen soon sa atin. Dun, dun.
The raft predicted the future?
Whoa. Where's the AI stuff? Ow.
There's nothing underwater.
Break ko. Himal-
Ano
What?
lang,
I'm gonna die.
don't die. Grabe naman tong pating na to.
He's on me.
Mamatay na yung shark na yan. Ilang stabs na ako. Alima.
Oh yeah, check ko yung next island.
Yeah, I
Aray ko.
found this.
Ay, yung note.
Ito ba ano? Said recipe
Hmm?
mango nana
Mango.
juicer. Mango. You
Mango.
need 1 mango, 2 bananas, and 1 milk. How do you get milk?
7638. 7 6 3 8. Oh, ang layo.
7,000.
Huh? Saan na gawin 7,000? Oh. Ano?
7,3
1.8 meters.
1.2.
Di rin na-fill yung tubig.
1.8. So, bali mga 3 stops ng islands or 4? Maybe 5.
Villager pala tayo. Maybe craft something else.
Nimove ko yung crafter dito sa tabi ng chest.
Oh, craft a backpack. And how do wool? How do you get wool?
Sheep.
You need a sheep.
Ba. Oh, there's a sheep over there. Ba.
I found I got that.
Nandito na ba tayo lahat? Red soda.
Maybe it's
No,
those.
no.
Said. Okay,
Said,
tara.
Ay, tingnan ko, wait lang. Look. Bang!
Uy!
Pwede pa nilagay yung mga recipes sa wall.
Alis na tayo dito sa island ah.
Sige.
Eh, siya.
Libot-libot na lang tayo.
I'm gonna shadow note.
Taking.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait. Saan pa di lagay to? Wait, we can make this. Oh, we need a juicer.
Meron tayo.
We do?
Never mind.
You have a juicer?
No. I was just pranking.
We got pranked.
Get pranked.
Wow.
Do you see that good?
Ginagawa niyo.
You know. No. We don't need the other ones. Ang dami na natin ito.
Maybe it's a
Bye-bye.
sign na ilaki mo na to.
Oh, dami.
Trash! Plastic. Kailangan ng plastic. Oh. Well, wala na akong
Hey,
hook.
why are you monkeying around?
Sino?
Ikaw.
Wala na akong hook eh.
Oh,
Wala na tayong plastic. I can make.
so,
We do have plastic, pre.
Where?
In the chest.
We only have one.
ito. I dropped it.
No, we don't.
Over here.
Asan?
I took it off. Ito, di ba? Ito. Ito.
Hindi ko kita.
Ito.
Ayun. Thank
It's
you.
20.
Lagay ko na sa chest. Goodbye, that person.
Plastic.
Name, I forgot. Ano pangalan ng babae na yun?
I
Tala.
don't know.
Tala.
I forgot.
Oh.
Tala.
Talalala.
Lala.
Foundation. Oh, you can put. Tala.
La. La la la.
Ow!
La la. La la la. It's raining.
Panyari sa'yo. Prince,
Oh, what the hell?
did you crash?
I disconnected. Oh, yeah, kay Tala.
Gabitin mo.
Ito. Joining back.
Are you EP, pre?
Hindi naman. I'm just
Okay.
yawning. It's me, Tala. Hello.
Oh my god! The animatronic girl.
Why can't I grab this?
I,
Ouch.
I think,
What the heck?
kinuha yun ni Prince eh. Tapos nung nag-disconnect siya. Yeah.
Wow. I love indie games.
Sabi humilik tatay ko.
Sorry.
What do you mean by
Narinig ba?
that?
No?
Are you dada,
Lakas.
pre? What do you mean by that?
Tatay ko.
Hello, ikaw na pala nakarinig, Soda.
Miss bro, apologize.
Ikaw na pala nakarinig.
Ay. Whatever you say, pre.
Go, man, pre.
Gamin.
Saan?
Why did you put the table literally in the middle of the way, pre?
O, kasi pag gabi, kaya walang hangin.
Wala, maubos na pagkain natin.
Ay,
Reaction.
di. No, we're moving. Pinagtitripan ako ng barrel na yun. Hindi talaga siya gumagalaw yung barrel. Okay.
Pre, may sumimot ng tubig, hindi rin if
That ain't me.
No, minove ko.
Ah,
I mean, it would probably be me, pero I'm not telling.
Oh shit.
Guys, ba't nyo lang iniwan yung patay na ibon sa...
May
Ganito
namatay
lang
ba?
dito.
Oh shit, you smelter! I think we should expand this. Masyadong... Ano?
We have wood.
Ano mo? We left a rotting corpse of bird, pre, dito. Walang kumuha. Umagalaw.
Sure ka, rotting na yan.
Oh ano? It's not dead. What the hell?
Oh, nag-despawn. Okay.
What the hell?
What is going on?
Are we in ARGs?
Ito,
Sige. Maybe we are, pre. Maybe we are.
let's all agree.
Dun sa screen ko, lumilipad pa yung bird. Tapos sa soda parang pinaplock na yung feathers niya.
Nakahiga siya sa screen key. Pinupoke lang yung soda eh.
Sa screen ko, lumilipad siya eh.
Umagalaw ba tayo?
Yeah, we're moving. Pinagtitripan tayo ng barrel na yan.
Oh, okay, so... Okay, nakakabwisit naman yun.
Kaya nagtaka ako nung nag-ano ako eh.
Man,
Nagsiswitch ako eh.
Sinong big fatty na kumuha?
Dito,
Ito, si
ano,
Tala.
but I'm not a fatty, I need to cook.
It's Vitala, pre.
Oh my god. Tala. Tala la la la.
Tala in the morning.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Tala la la la.
Tala in the evening.
Ako na yung next character. Kahit pangit. Dips on that
La, la,
next
la.
character.
It's Vitala.
Shalalalala. Shalalalala.
Mas pangalan pala ano ng Miguel, meant to be.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it's
Oh,
me
shit.
talaga pre.
Plastic no.
Nakakabwisit yung barrel na yun. I'm
Huwag mo-
irritated.
Huwag mo tignan, nainis rin ako.
Bakit ano na lang? What do you guys see?
Nung nag-leave ka kasi, nag-DC ka, di ba may kinukuha kang barrel?
Oh.
Nag-stay dun, yung barrel na yun.
What?
It's
Yes.
not moving.
So, stuck siya dyan
dahil
sa
barrel-
boat natin. Stuck siya sa boat natin. And
Wait,
like,
trash
kada
can.
pag
Trash can.
gumagalaw tayo, it follows.
Wait, magkano ba itong trash can na to?
Daming barrel. Apat.
No!
Apa ba?
Oh my god, gumagana yung trash can. Whoa.
Nice. Ayun.
Ayun pala sa'yo.
Finally throw shit.
Parang huwag na itapon yung mga flowers na yan. Isa kasi
Tapon
check
yung
ko kung ano yung
flowers?
tinatapon eh. Hindi, yung kapag may napipick up lang. Oh, island.
Oh, may shark head.
Can we go there?
Sure.
I'm going there.
Pirate flag.
Pirate flag!
Wait. Asan siya?
Yar!
Yar.
Oh, yay.
Yar, har, fiddly-dee. Being a pirate is so
Pirate is
easy.
so
When
easy.
you get the pirate spree, you are a pirate.
We got us a map, a map.
I need to
Pinanood yung
scroll.
ano yung Disney show na yun? Nandun si Captain Hook.
Peter
Peter
Pan?
Pan?
Peter Pan. Pinanood yun.
Yeah,
Yeah, yung movie?
yung movie, oh.
May movie?
Yes, what?
Yeah. What? Huh?
I did not
Kasi
know.
Peter Pan pinanood mo.
Oo, Peter Pan
Oh, I mean,
pinanood mo.
yun
Series?
sa Disney Junior. Yan yung
Libro?
series.
Oh,
Disney.
this... Ah, it's ano, tawag dun? Jake and the Neverland Pirate.
Yes, yes, pre, yes. Yes, Jake and the Neverland Pirate.
I love that
Pala
show.
nung fat one, si Cubby.
Uh,
I think so, yeah. That's so fun. Ba't niya pinangalan niya? The Fairy.
Jake and the Neverland Pirate come.
Ay, may pirate flag na tayo.
Jake, ahoy! Yeah, ahoy!
Ahoy!
Yeah, ahoy!
Ahoy! Something.
Something.
Pero yun rin yung bear. Yung yellow bear. Si Oso.
Professional agent also?
Yes, pre.
Yeah. Bang.
Ano ko, the only
I'm hitting
Kala
sharks.
pag naalala ko si Oso, it reminds me of that one tweet,
Oh,
pre,
patay. Ano?
where it's like, I'm gonna get so high. Tapos biglang, meron, ano ba yung sa thread nakalagay, I've been always wanted to fuck him. Tapos may photo si Oso. Oso sa baba.
Hindi ko alam.
I need to find it.
You need to find it. You sound insane, pre.
Easy nga eh.
I think I have saved that.
Ang lalim ng island na to.
Okay.
Flower. Sige ka ng flower?
No one.
We are decimating this whole land, bro.
That's it? Okay.
Tangay na. We're just ruining nature.
Ang underwhelming naman yun.
Sino yung
Wait,
may
ang
ano,
dami-
shark meat?
Uba ka.
May ano?
Shark meat.
Ah,
meron ako.
wala.
Ito ang lalim, holy shit.
Nagsarap. I don't care. Sarap. Ano ba yung kailangan natin na snorkel na?
Snorkels. Yeah.
Man. Okay.
The shark dead.
No. Yeah.
Patay na.
Oh, yeah. Patay. Kaya
That's
parang
why
tataka
I'm
akong
mining
tahimik
right
eh.
now.
Yeah, I was like, I'm waiting for bro.
Oh, bilisan ko na to bago siya mag-spawn. Uf, abot mo ako sa taas.
Lalim, di ba?
Oh my god. Madaming iron ore sa
Patay na
ilalim.
Dami.
Oh, mga nasa wall. Oh.
Wait.
Oh, grabe na ako na. Ah, hindi copper pala to. That's the
Wala
same.
naman din.
It's good.
My storage is full.
Grabe. Ay, dami. Oh my god.
Sito. Sito.
Sino yan? Eh?
Ako, masarap si Sol.
Yun.
Oh, copper. Madali ba ng flippers?
Oh my god, ba't ako nag-lag dun?
I don't think so.
Ang gabi ng ano natin. Para. Oh, shit. Train short. Bro, miss. Dumbass.
Oh, I'm drowning. That you can do that.
Sada. Shark meat. Aba, yeah. I don't know. Gusto na pagkain.
Yeah, that's right. Yep.
What can I make? Seaweed, vine,
What the fuck? Lumapit tayo sa island. Lumapit tayo sa ano, Story Island.
Mas malapit tayo.
Yeah, lumapit tayo ngayon.
Gusto ba pagkain natin?
Okay lang naman.
Tara, tara.
Para maka-unlock pa tayo ng whole recipes and new characters.
Tara, tara. Sino yung next character na?
Yeah,
Sige, sige.
pangit man yun. Sige, tanggapin ko yun.
Ito na. Acceptance agad.
Talaga. Ay, dito na ba lahat?
I'm fighting the shark. Pre.
I got something.
I got.
I got water. I got water.
Biglang kumanta.
DNA.
I got
I hear bird.
Tweet.
Come at me, Pre.
That is
Come
it.
at. That's what I thought, Pre. That's what I thought.
Candle in a bottle.
Ayaw, puta na.
Oh, you want more? Okay.
No, no, no.
Taking. Bang.
Sada, meat.
I need a fishing rod.
Kailangan ba? Gawa ako. Puta.
Oh, nagawa.
Stupid.
Okay.
Okay.
Basta maubos na ang pagkain. We're not big and fat.
Soda.
Oh,
Point
okay.
fingers agad.
Siyempre, si Sodin eh. Nasa Amerika eh.
Oh.
Big people.
Big people. Grabe.
Oh, okay. My fault. Oh, gee. Okay, hold on. Teka.
All those 50 stars,
How much
pre.
you make?
Charging people.
More like 50 tons, pre. 50 tons.
Oh.
The shark is almost dead.
What na?
Huwag mo muna
The
patayin.
shark is
Huwag mo muna patayin. May next island pa
Yeah,
tayo.
no. Super weak na siya. Ito.
Okay. Okay, time to go.
Which direction ba?
I don't know. Yeah, tama yung direction. Kung nasan yung
You safe? Okay.
sail, yeah. Gumagalaw naman tayo. You don't need to paddle.
Hello, Bruce. The shark.
O ano, pangalan mo Tala. What the hell?
Yeah.
May gano'n napansin.
Pinala ko talaga pa. Tala. In character, bro.
Wow. You're so
Uy, dami wood.
RP person.
Sweet, Tala. What's up?
She would not say that.
Who is this?
It's me, Tala.
It's hot. I'm letting it rest.
Ah!
I'll go by he, him. Thank you for asking.
Okay, pre. Gimme. Aha.
Oh shit, ano na pala.
Naka ng alon.
Oy! It's dead.
Open na tayo.
Wala.
Ay, inano mo na ako.
Wala, di. One hit na eh. Seth! Seth!
Kunin mo, Seth. Kunin mo. Nakuha mo.
Yung,
Shark meat.
Short.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, okay. May isa pang island, malaki.
Medyo pre, mamamatay na yung shark.
Kasi ayun.
Patay yung compass eh. Yan yung problema ko eh.
Nabaka ba sa laro na to?
For sure meron to. Posibleng wala.
Yeah, there's no way. Wala.
I'm fixing storage. Kasi
Pero pupunta naman tayo sa ano? Island.
There we go.
we need to make signs.
Ang comfy naman ito.
Oh, it's dead.
Sure.
Ah, sisira mo. Oh, it's... Ganun pa kalaki yun?
Yeah.
Ano, sa chicken.
Uy. Lemon sauce.
Chicken.
Thank you.
We need more wood.
Ah, you need wood. Meron akong isang stock. So,
Where is bro getting all these wood?
I'm the wood man. Uy! Island ah. Should we go there or... Hello.
Hello. Hello. I got royalties inside my DNA.
Sana yun.
Ugh.
What the fuck?
Oops.
Bakit?
How do you make what? Hooks, rope, scraps, bolt. Let's roll them.
Where are we going next? My island?
Yan, nasa
Wala
island na
dito.
tayo.
I'm expecting something big, pre.
Wala tayong makuha. Good islands.
Pagtalikod ko. Ah, okay.
It's an island.
Daming hinge. Nice.
1
Sorry,
tree?
island?
Ano, kinuna namin isa di
No.
mga puno.
Okay, I was like, yo. This
Bom-
island ass.
Bomb
Isang
ang
puno.
sa island.
Oh, island. Ay, shit.
Tuwag mo na itong Bomb Island.
Bomb island.
Okay, let's go. Wala pa yung shark, diba?
Yeah.
Ah, wala. I am underwater mining.
I am the one.
I can't see pag nasa tubig ako.
Wala.
I don't need stone.
Andun yung shark, andun yung shark.
Why is everything cost, bro? That's so annoying.
Aray. Oh shit, I'm hungry.
Baril pala yun.
Uy, actual bed. Minecraft bed.
That's mine.
Okay.
Hinagaan nyo kasi yung pet ko eh. It stinks now.
I'm hungry.
Pre, naligo naman ako dun sa bathtub eh.
P.U.
I'm hungry, sir.
Oh, well.
Amoy tilapia nga yung kama eh. Tilapia, mackerel.
That sounds like big people dinner.
Yummy. Kain ko na.
Damn, pre. What
Thank
the
you,
hell?
sis. I'm very hungry. Stops my belly.
My belly is so fat. Putek.
What the fuck? No. Naubos yung mga iron natin dito.
Meron pa akong metal.
Okay.
That'll be tools. Oh, iron.
Ba't may table? Ba't nandito yung lesbian table? Bibitin ko na to.
Patay.
Are you saying something?
One.
Scissor may timber, pre. Eh. Patang na
Comfy
table na
naman.
to.
Farm natin.
Wala na, no? Island na to.
Yan.
Okay. Dito na ba lahat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Grapa kang purifier. Just for the hell of it.
Sure ka na dito na lahat?
Na?
Wait nga, drop ko ulit. Eh, dito na nga lahat. Okay.
Hindi na may purifier.
Shalalalala. Okay, tamang direction natin.
La 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 la.
Wala ba tong music tong laro na to?
Wala.
Parang rare nung, rare nangyari.
Tinasok yung music dito. Walang music.
Mga sequences lang, story sequences.
Ah. Lame.
La la
Yeah,
la
kami.
la la. La 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 in the evening. Dude, ano ba yung ginagawa ng silver algae? Do we ever figure that out?
Diba may research table kaya na lang natin? Asan ba?
It doesn't work. Who
Why?
is putting metal? I'm trying to organize this thing.
Oh, nasi spear ko.
Making more plans kasi we're being more fun.
Shalalalala.
How do you make signs?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Can you make signs?
Ano na doon sa pinakababa, decoration area.
Hmm.
Hey, island, it's a diretso.
Is there a tiny sign?
Shambawne.
Sha-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la, just for you.
Oh, daming trash. Peaceful naman to.
How do people not go crazy playing this game?
Solo.
It's so quiet.
Play nga music.
DMCA pre.
Hindi, like, sarili lang.
Ay ba dito?
Search mo ano, Kevin MacLeod na music.
Yes, pre.
Tonong.
Grabe yung popularity, yun ginagamit lang.
Ten, tenenen, ten, tenenen.
Pero pag narinig ko na yung ano na music na yun, it reminds me like yung ano, isang mobile game where you rob a place.
Robbery Bob?
Yes.
Ginamit nila yun?
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's a Chud Island.
Damn. Damn. It's all yours, friend. Grabe.
Fuck you. Sha-na-na-na-na.
Shalala in the morning. Shalalalala. Shalala in the evening. Shalalalala. Cooking tables? Oh wait, we can make a juicer.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Why didn't we make a juicer?
I don't know. Guys, ang fun na circuit board yan.
We can make a circuit board.
Yeah, pwede natin ito i-craft lahat. Ang dami naman tayong ano eh. Goo. Para gumawa ng circuit board.
I'm gonna make a juicer. Kasi I'm bored. And I love wasting materials.
Kaya pa nauubos lahat ng gamit.
Okay.
Ay.
We don't have. We need something.
Are we going the right way? The slowly way naman.
We need wood. That's what I need.
800 meters.
Pababa. It's fine. Isang direction lang naman tayo.
Jeff?
Oh yeah, pinangalan ko Jeff.
That's so slow.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Bangkai, Tenkai, Oppai, Sharingan.
Whatever he said.
Pating!
That's me.
I need wood.
How much do you need?
6.
I got you.
Oh shit.
Saan ka sabi?
Uy! Gagi.
Soda, no!
Sa the...
Or?
Six.
Thank you.
No! He bit me!
Sinusugod na yung kahoy. Hindi niya na hinuhook eh.
Ganito lang pag naboboard na.
Pre, I'm the cook. Wala akong mag...
Ah, that's why I'm making you a juicer, pre. Kita mo yung ano natin.
So I can cook more, pre.
Yes.
Ano, naklip ko yung gago. Nag-i-hook ko pala yung kahoy. Si Seth takbo talaga eh. Diretso sa akin.
Saan mo pwede ilagay yung cooker? Ay, yung juicer, pre.
Why can't I fix this?
Table?
Yes.
Sometimes very broken things cannot be fixed. Oh,
There are
It's
times
kind of-
na
Pero there are things that can be fixed with gold. Because in Japan, they fix things with gold.
wala lang kahoy.
I
Saan mo
have
ito gusto ilagay sa
I have 2 stacks pre.
likod
Ano
ng
yun?
ano?
How do I fix
Dito na lang.
this?
Balba
Hold
dito.
mo right click,
Sa
tapos
table na.
pinakababa. May plus
Where?
button. May plus na
No,
may
it's
hammer.
an entire... Here. Bigay ko nga sa'yo.
Okay.
Here.
Ah, wala.
See,
You plan it.
sometimes things can be fixed. You just need wood.
And gold.
Whatever those guys said. Sha-na-na-na-na.
Yan. We don't have fruit. Well,
Yes, we do.
watermelon.
Here.
I
I
ate
wanna
it all.
make one. Wait, gimme.
Mango.
Holy fella.
Wait lang. Let me...
What do you mean,
let me
Faras? I
remove this.
ate all the fruits, but I'm healthy.
Para...
You did save us for us?
Hell na.
Diabetic.
Hindi naman diabetic yun, ah.
Oh, ay mataas yung sugar.
Anong mataas?
Eating fruit is
Kinain ko siya sa
unhealthy.
babae.
Eating food is unhealthy. Do not eat food.
Yeah, pre, I use photosynthesis.
Mr. Flower here.
Ako, photographer lang
We
ako, eh.
need to make a glass cup.
Pre! Bilis!
Okay, gago.
Kuha lahat, eh.
Oh shit,
Oops. Okay.
Bakit?
I just
did
made-
you do?
I just made all the glass into cups.
Damn, we're having a party. Hindi ko alam yun, ah.
tea party.
We have 12 cups, pre.
What?
For 12 people.
Bring out the fine china, pre. Ako lang yung pagbibisita tayo.
We need 8 more people,
Who,
pre.
Si Bruce?
Oh. Bitch.
I need coconut. Do we have coconut?
I ate it.
I ate it.
Oh my god, pre.
Yeah, meron ako kanina, kinain ko.
Yeah, I had some. Some.
I had some. I ate it. All gone.
I did had some.
Parang importante sabihin, eh.
Just letting you know, diba? Just being honest.
Yeah. Honesty is the key. And communication.
Ubus ko yung materials natin. Just saying.
Okay.
At least I'm being honest.
We can have anything in this ocean, pre.
Why, pre?
We're all dying.
What do you mean? What the fuck? Tiki, tiki, tiki. Oh, wow, 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 wow.
What is it processing?
Ang tahimik, ang narinig ko yung tubig.
Di ba rin? Music na rin ka music na.
Nabi ko, splash, splash!
Di wala akong music sa, ano, side ko.
I hear ting, ting, ting.
Minecraft na tayo.
Maybe.
Shark.
No! Nasira yung net.
No. Nabaga. How hard is it? Oh, 8 ropes for 1 net?
There.
Sorry ko. We didn't even get hurt, but kiss up.
Immersion pala. Sino nga?
Talaga lang. Nandito ako sa position na yun, eh. Kanina pa.
Naglagay
Ay,
ng
territory pala to.
Oo, territory ko
naglagay
to.
ng feed sa sa watermelon farm.
Pizza?
Ah, my bad. There you go.
Pitik din.
At the said more beats. Magiging vegetarian ngayon dito.
Grow faster. Uy, island.
Ayan, tirapat ka dyan. We're going there. Nangyari sa'yo.
Nagkagawang tayo dito.
Nauna ako dito, kanina pa kayo.
Sabot.
Everybody is here, gago.
Oh, patay.
God,
Sino
this sada. Chicken.
Uy,
Ito ang dito.
Chicken, chicken, chicken. Ang baho na.
Parang,
buti pa si Prince eh.
Ha?
Nagbabayad sa pagkain, gamit pagkain. Si Soda, nom nom nom.
Sobra! Parang hindi ko makain sa buong game na
Bibigyan
to.
vegetarian yun eh.
Pwede na, shit. Di ko na bina. Bum Ass Island. Dalawa lang puno. It's better than nothing talaga.
puno na pala. Okay na pala to. Ay, okay na ba to? Really? Ito na yun?
Hindi pa ata, hindi pa. Ayun na ba yan?
Oh no.
Damn.
Rest.
Thank you! Oh my god.
You don't need to scream, pre.
Thank you. You're welcome, pre. Holy shit.
Kailangan rin natin sumigaw eh.
Can you even wood? I have like 4 stacks of wood.
Bro! You could have been making nets, pre.
Oo nga, dapat gumagawa ng nets eh.
Go now.
Para surrounded na lahat. Ang pangit
Dapat
ng
natin-
island.
Maybe
Twin Island, pre.
Maybe it's pre. Maybe it's the underneath, pre.
Ang puno.
Oo nga, no? Hindi ko nakita.
Pre, why does it... Pre, that's feet tayo. Mukhang paa. Eh, yun yung highest bump is yung toes.
Okay.
Ano yung sabi mo?
Eh, ito yung island.
Ay, yung island.
Baka
Ewan ko.
We're just saying shit.
pre, it's futile.
Island.
Pero naiisip ko, like, ano naman itong kalakuhan na ano?
Oh, I see the vision.
Yeah, yung dalawang toes ng ano, feet.
Oo.
Yeah.
Futile.
So I think sabi mo muna kung ano yung tinutukoy mo. Mag-description lang.
It's the only island.
Imagining what rin, no, pre. Silent, pre. Hindi narinig ko. It looks like feet, pre. Dalawang toes.
What is he on about? Nakakasat
Why did
ako.
we stop growing?
Ang dami. Aray!
Sorry.
No problem.
Uy, clam!
Ayun, bidwa ko na. Langoy na kayo dyan.
Aray!
I need fruit.
Mango, mango,
I need
mango.
coconut. I need coconut.
I'm gonna die.
How?
I'm stuck. Oh my god, walang
What the
coconut.
fuck? I'm spinning.
Mango, okay.
Ito yun. Ito yun. Damn, kinalbo niyo yung toast na yun ah.
Oh, okay. It's
Trim,
called a
pre.
manicure.
Sige. Sige, taas ko na ulit to.
May coconut kayo.
No. Coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much.
Too much, you get big fat.
Kala may pinya tayo. Ano nangyari dun?
Kinain ko.
Ganun nga. Okay.
Hindi, joke, hindi ko kinain. Joke.
Was eating everything.
Oh my god, Seth! Seth!
Wait, gimme. I wanna
Seth! Meron kang beat?
Meron. Coconut beet. Uy.
That sounds
Ay, ginawa mo, pre.
disgusting.
Ito ba yun? Tangin na.
Hindi, wag coconut beet.
Why are you watching, pre?
I can make something better.
Nasa taas ako eh. May ginagawa ako.
Ginawa niya.
Ewan ko sa kanya.
What are you watching, pre?
Alam mo yung batang may tumatakbo na sa gilid mo. Ganun nangyari sa akin eh. Like,
What
tinatawag.
are you watching, pre?
Tagal mo pinya na to.
Na ice cream dry bits eh. Bigla kang dumaan sa akin.
Sabi niya ako. Here. May gusto mong watermelon? May watermelon ako.
Ano kasi, gago?
I need Uy,
Oh,
pineapple.
whatever you say na lang.
Ano? Ano tawag dito?
Huwag mo na explain. Okay lang.
Sige, sige.
Huwag mo na explain. It's alright.
One pineapple.
Holy shit.
But you had me worried.
It's not doing anything. Up.
Yes, may cup ako.
Okay, i-clip ko to mamaya. Okay. Pakita ko na lang.
Dito. Sa maliliit. Wait, meron pong ano, never mind.
Ano?
Sana tulungan mo
What?
kayo ng mango. Wala na tayong mango.
Meron ako sa mango.
Here. Here.
Papakit kasi ng island natin eh. Wala tayong makuha vines eh. Oh,
Beep.
we're nearing sa island. 500 meters.
Let's go.
500 meters.
I think we need a... Oh, battery! Wala tayong battery.
Dahil ba sa juicer na yun?
Yes.
Pati nga itsura. Nasaan?
I can make battery.
Oh, cool.
Watch me eat this entire salmon.
Okay.
Okay.
Can't breathe.
Okay.
Pre, you ate 2 salmons.
I'm hungry!
Damn, chill.
Start cooking. Uy.
No, I paid 10 beetroots, pre. You could see there. I put there.
Oh, it's juicing.
Ay,
Hindi
whoa!
electric fan gamit.
Grabe ah. Why is it like that?
It's kind of erotic, pre. It's kind
Pre,
of
why are you eating the produce?
I got
Tagal.
hungry.
Oh no, my fish. Ba't mo kinuha isda ko? Tagal naman nito.
Yan tuloy, nasira yung ano.
Oh, yung rough natin. What the hell?
Whoa. Ulan natin.
How can you tell, pre?
Gut feeling.
Look
Oh.
up.
You store
Gut feeling says look up.
Wow. Really? That's so cool.
No.
What do you mean no?
Pre, you ass.
What is that? Whoa. It's really angry. The weather.
Okay, sila umihis sa dagat. Nagalit talaga.
Yung yellow yung dagat.
Si Poseidon
Aminin nyo na sino yung mga umihi dito.
It's done.
Ano? How do you drink it?
Let me see.
Requires
use your
drinking
mouth,
glass.
pre.
Oh, empty cup.
Tabi.
Drinking glass. Sabi.
Sino gusto?
Me.
Huwag si Miguel, vegan yan.
Ay,
Ano naman na to?
ano
Ano naman
yan?
na to?
Ha?
Ano? Ano to? Ano to, Ken?
May, ano ba yan? Meat ba yan? Yung milkshake na yan? Ito ba?
Nasa lesbian table. Paunahan kayo.
My table, pre.
Kasi table.
Okay. You're lesbian now? Holy shit, congrats.
I mean, not really, pero thanks.
Si Hawk ko, trap ko.
Milkshake. Uy!
I think yung milkshake gives you buffs.
Yeah, lumaki yung ano ko. Yung thirst.
Ah, nasira agad yung axe ko. No. Taking. Oh, wow,
This is
wow.
a permanent ano.
Ayun ba to?
Oh,
Thank you. Uy, copper. Uy, oh shit, clam ba yan? It is a clam.
Oh, yung saklam ulit.
I don't know. It's a clam.
Ayun, yun.
Hell yeah.
Nabating ba?
Vine
Holy
Goo,
shit.
running out of Vine Goo, pre.
May vines ba dito?
Meron.
Yes.
Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, I found a crate. Underwater. This.
Ano laman?
Whoa, down. Supplies and shit.
Damn.
Wait. I misheard kita. Lice and shit. May lice? May lice?
I'm gonna die. Don't let me die.
The lice, pre.
Oh my god. Okay na.
Kailangan tatlong bato? What the heck?
What? Oh no.
Bakit?
Pinikap ko yung watermelon. Tapos wala, di siya nag-drop ng seeds. May
Ah.
blind.
Baka may chance lang na hindi nag-drop.
Dalawang beses.
Baka malas ko lang, nagulam.
Bayan. Oh, may empty spot dito.
Oh, nag-miss pa rin shark yun. Ay pa rin vines, ang dami pala. What the hell, ano? Nakuha niya na ba?
Haha, shark. Wala na shark.
Okay, meron akong 7 na
Yeah, yeah.
vines.
Napatay ni Shark? Okay, muka na main. Okay, sira. Ano ba ito?
Ta-la-la-la-la.
Na, 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 na.
In the morning.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
La 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 in the evening.
Oh,
Oras
shit.
na. Dali, lala.
3 na.
Hindi mo man narinig yung ano, manok sa ano, mic ni
No. Ingay-ingay.
Ayun yung indicator.
Indicator na it's there na.
Ano, it's there. It's morning na, pre.
Ayun.
Making his presence known, pre.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
La, la, la. But can we do with hinges? Pass no hinges.
For chest, may mga openings.
Okay.
Trash can.
May mga
Recycler. Yeah. Ayun lang.
I wanna make some bullshit. Nothing go.
You always make bullshit, pre.
Plywood rock curtain. Uy, lights. I don't know.
Charlie Kirky.
Lights back the turkey.
Pwede para good.
Oh, red flower. Okay. Yeah,
Baka
plus
meron
seed
dyan.
for that. Yeah.
Oh,
Ayun,
tapos ako lalagay yung vine goo. Where do I place it?
Yeah, lagyan mo sa chest.
Which one?
Find it. Find my chest.
I mean, may apat kasi.
Okay, Mr. Slenderman. It's Slenderman.
Kill
Kill
yourself.
Sa'yo ba?
That's stupid.
Alam mo.
Hindi na ako natulog mamaya.
Bakit?
What?
Gising rin ako 5:30. Magluluto ako ng pagkain.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
Talaga, I'm gonna cut this down.
Okay, since wala na si Soda, time to get out of this island.
Iwanan sa
One story island na muna, then nasa tayo. Or,
Oh,
Okay
we
na to.
can do one more story island.
tara.
Patay palayo.
If may mahanap tayo.
May manop tayo.
Ang dami pala nating copper ore. Hindi natin ginagawang copper ingot.
So, wala tayo. Nasulat ng wood eh.
Tara. I'ma process this bitch.
Don't call it bitch, pre.
Ay, sorry. This ingots.
Logi ang weird sabihin bitch.
Oh, palagi ko narinig kay a certain English speaker.
Hindi naman, wala naman pake sa kapag iba nagsasabi. Pero ang weird lang sabihin. Parang na-off ako.
Pag may mata sasabi mo yan, parang, wow. You can't say that.
Don't call her a bitch, pre. Don't do that.
Yung image na yun.
Yeah. Alam mo, dahil sa image eh, nagbago yung isip ko.
Don't call them bitches, bro.
Like, damn, he right. I should not be calling them.
I call them baddies.
La 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 la.
Diyan ka pala, Soda.
Bakit?
Hindi, wala lang.
Akala namin nawala ka.
Tinatrash talk ka namin.
Ah,
Yabasap ka na namin.
Shing,
Okay.
shing.
literal.
Julius Caesar type shit, bro.
So fucking scared right now.
Shing.
Tawa-tawa ka naman. Is that
Dami.
not funny, pre?
The unexpected comedy kasi.
Bro gets it.
Ted, make more smoothies.
Ba't tayo gumagalaw? What?
I'm whipping you, pre. Make more smoothies.
Kunin ko lahat ng pagkain. Magaling ko para magutom kayo.
Taon na dinamay pa kami.
Galing yung shit. Everybody's starving in this.
Siyempre, pre. We're all in the same boat.
Wow, literal.
Literal.
Bakit tayo pataas? What?
Meron kang coconut.
No.
Thank you for letting me know.
Hashtag seen, hashtag ignore.
Hashtag ghosted. Hashtag not noticing.
What the fuck?
Hashtag
Sir,
tabi.
tabtadro ko.
What? Ano tayo palayo?
We only have one coconut?
Apparently.
Oh, I hear music.
Hey!
What? Where is bro hearing this music?
What is that melody?
Melody. We go down, down, down.
Wow. Talking shit.
Pre, kuhang-kuha mo.
Diba?
Nakakatakot.
Scared
Bro
it
is
off.
the maker
My
of the
fishing
Owen.
rod.
Patay palayo. What?
Uy, gago.
Wait tayo.
Uwi? Ano? Uwi saan?
Palayo, I mean.
Ah,
Paano?
Ano? What? Ha?
What? What?
narinig ko uwi eh. What do you mean uwi?
Ay, dude, meron akong coconut pala. I got coconuts.
Pero huwag palitin yung topic. Anong uwi?
Hindi ko sabi uwi, sabi ko paano.
Ay,
Uy, puta. Die.
Ito, wait. Okay, Grim Reaper.
Iyo ka pala.
Ito, saan ka? Where are you?
Hanapin mo
Ito,
ko.
ito, ito.
Nandito ako.
Ito. Yeah, coconut.
Or? Saan?
Ito.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nawala. What the fuck?
Wala na sa akin.
Is it not here?
Wala na. Wala na. Wala na sa akin.
Yung coconut.
what? Patay palayo sa island.
Paddle ba natin? Wala lang? Or...
Uy,
Hold on.
gago, nawala yung coconut. Uy, nandito.
Nahulaan ko kung nasaan niya.
I need 2
Patay pa baba.
flowers. Okay.
Ba't nagbe-beep?
Are you okay?
656. Okay, bre.
Oh my god, kinakain yung fucking putang fucking.
Pagdating ko sa username ko, sino yung kumukuha sa chest, ina-expect ko pala si Soul na to.
Ang pangit.
I'm putting items in, pre. I'm giving
Whatever
you
you say,
stuff.
pre.
Puta, tignan mo. We have 2 mangoes now in this chest, pre.
Mango,
We
mango.
never had.
Ang
Stress
pangit.
mo ako.
Ang pangit ang pagkasabi mo. Packing.
Packing.
Parang may kausap na bata na first time magmura. Oh, dude.
Putang na.
Oh, meron pala. Titanium ingot.
Ewan ko baka tayo lumalayo sa papunta. Lumalayo sa Story Island.
May narinig na akong ano.
Narinig ako din yan.
Kagano ako narinig yung ano.
Dude, ang kulat ng description ng ano, titanium ingot. It's so heavy.
It's so...
Tigaw! Tapos sa research. Tapos basahin mo.
It's so low.
Bahala na kung saan na tayo
Explosive
mapunta. Ang kulit ng ano na to.
I'm a paddle. Sabihin mo, it's like we're going...
Hindi kahit anong direction eh. Pinapalayo
naman.
tayo eh.
There has to be one direction. One direction. One way. One...
Maybe it's time na pre. 3 o'clock na eh. I think maybe it's time to stop na. Okay na to. No, tao. It's a sign na talaga.
No, pre.
Okay na. 3 o'clock na sa amin.
Finish business, pre.
One way.
Okay na. 3 o'clock na eh.
Yeah. I'm gonna get you. Ay, gag.
Save ko na kaya. Okay na to, no? Okay na to.
Yeah, I think so.
Next time yun, next island.
Sana maayos natin yung island na yun.
Yeah.
Okay, save ko na to.
Wow, progress!
Okay.
Yay!
Save. Exit.
Okay.
Ding
You're done.
dong. Yeah, bye bye. Yeah, bye
We're
bye.
done.
We're done.
Holy progress.
Dun, dun,